Now let's finish off our tour of the tabs and the ribbons in PowerPoint by looking at the last three that we have available on our slide. The first one will be the slideshow tab. This tab is used mostly for sales presentations. If you have a kiosk, say at a trade show, and you have your PowerPoint presentation, you want to set it up, let it run automatically, this is where all those settings are going to come from. Also, you can review what you've done from this view by selecting a few things. Make sure it runs the way you want it to. Honestly, not a lot of things here for the courtroom setting, so we'll move on to the review tab. The review tab, basically, it's got some spell check abilities. It's got some things you can compare it to other slides and whatnot. Again, not the most common usage of what we're going to do in the courtroom. We're going to build our slides and move on, so this is not one we're going to use a whole lot. And lastly, the view tab. The view tab does have a few more functions we're going to maybe utilize as far as getting ready for the courtroom and doing some things. Now, if you notice, it's highlighted. This is normal view. I call this the work mode. This is the mode that you have your slide open, that you can start editing text, you can start editing anything on your slide. You have to be in this mode, which is called normal mode. Slide sorter view will give you a listing of all the slides in your presentation. This particular presentation only has one, so there's not a lot to look at, but it is available. If you have up to 200, you'll have all your slides here on the screen. You can move them, rotate them, do whatever you want to do as far as changing the order of them. This is a good place to do that. The notes page. This is the actual slide in my presentation. This is a box that has some ability to put some notes in. All you have to do is click inside that box and type what it is you want. You can keep those notes. You can print this version out when you're complete with your presentation. Take it with you. Refer to these notes as you run your slideshow.